In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up SPF, DKIM, and DMARC for GoDaddy domain and mailboxes. Email authentication is essential for deliverability and security, and these three records work together to prove your messages are legitimate. SPF authorizes the servers allowed to send on your behalf, DKIM signs your messages so they can't be tampered with, and DMARC tells receiving servers how to handle anything that fails those checks. Let's walk through setting this up in your GoDaddy account. Start by signing into your GoDaddy account. Once you're in, click your profile in the top corner and open My Products. This is where all your domains and services live. Find the domain section, then choose Manage All to open the domain portfolio. If you have multiple domains, select the one you want to configure. Next, open DNS to get to the DNS management page where you'll add and edit records. First, add your SPF record. Click Add New Record. Choose TXT as the type. Set the name to the @ symbol to target the root of your domain and paste this value. VT's SPF1 include spf.email.godaddy.com. All. This tells the world that GoDaddy's mail servers are authorized to send for your domain. If an SPF record already exists, don't create a second one. There should only be a single SPF TXT record per domain. In that case, update the existing one rather than adding a duplicate. Next, add your DKIM records. These are CNAME records provided by your GoDaddy email and Office dashboard. Open that service, go to Manage, then Set Mail Destination, and you'll see two DKIM CNAME host names and their corresponding targets. Back in DNS, add each as a separate CNAME. Enter the host exactly as shown, paste the target value, and leave TTL at the default unless you've been instructed otherwise. Accuracy matters here. Copy and paste to avoid typos. Now add your DMARC record. Click Add New Record again and choose TXT. You'll typically use the name DMARC for this record, and the value defines your policy. If you're just getting started, many admins begin with a policy that monitors without blocking, then tighten it later after reviewing reports. The goal is to align DMARC with your SPF and DKIM so legitimate mail passes consistently. When you're done, click Save All Records. DNS changes can take time to propagate, sometimes up to 24-48 hours, so don't worry if checks don't pass immediately. After a bit, send a test email and use an email authentication checker to confirm SPF, DKIM, and DMARC are all passing. That's it. You've set up SPF, DKIM, and DMARC for your GoDaddy domain to help your mail land where it should.